Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to program a universal remote control. In my case, I'm trying to program this to my garage control, motor control, which is the LIFTMASTER. It's right there, LIFTMASTER. Turn this side because the name or this is on this side. So it says LIFTMASTER powered by ByQ. I guess they said that this universal remote control, it works on any type of garage motor control. Garage motor. Like I said, in my case, I have a LIFTMASTER. And to program this remote, I have to locate. I remove my ladder because I'm on the other side. I remove my ladder. All right, here. I see right here. Remote control.
Is it in this brown bag?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, remote control. So there you have a button, which is the program light. They said you got to press this, and then this small light right here will lights up. So, and also, if you notice, my garage is closed right now. There it is. Right there, it's closed. So after this, maybe, hopefully it works and it's gonna open the garage door. Now, when you press it, this one will lights up, and also this light, small light right here, a button right here will lights up too. And they said you have to click this once, and then you can also hear 2 clicks from the motor. That means the motor was acknowledging or recognizing it. Okay, here it is. Now it's lighting up. So you have to click this remote, the big one right here. And then there it is. It acknowledges. That means you can now use your remote. And here it is. Let's see. Hey, there you go. And if you can see, my garage door is opening right now. Okay, that's opening, and we'll see the closing part. I'll get this. Okay, now we press this again, the big button right here, just to close the garage. Here we go. There it is. It works. Success. All right, that's it. And just to show if you want to buy this at the Amazon or whatever, wherever, like Timo, as long as you have this is the serial or numbers on the back of it. If you can get this type of remote, they said it works with any motor, garage motor, okay? Like I said, in my case, I had the LIFTMASTER. Okay, that's it. And hope this thing helped you a little bit and save some money. And don't forget to share this video so everybody we can really have some ideas how to program the universal remote. Thank you and have a nice day. If you can share this and subscribe, I'll appreciate that. Bye everyone. Thank you.